Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make Brussels sprouts. So I'm going to cook them in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. That's a pressure cooker, okay? If you don't have a pressure cooker, no problem. You're going to cook yours on the stove in a pot. So I'm going to cook mine for 20 minutes because, you know, the pressure cooker takes a lot less time. And you're going to have to cook yours between 30 and 40 minutes. When you can actually put the fork through and it's tender, or when you bite into one and it's tender, it's done. So Brussels sprouts comes from, it tastes like a cabbage, and to me they're little mini cabbages, okay? So it's in the cabbage family, all right? And if you like cabbage, you'll like Brussels sprouts. Okay, so I'm gonna adjust the camera down and we're gonna get started, all right? Thanks. Okay, so this is the Power Pressure Cooker XL. This is the Brussels sprouts. See, they're little tiny cabbages. That's what it looks like to me, and that's what it tastes like to me. So that's the way I've always identified them. All right, so I have maybe, I don't know, 20 or so. We're gonna put the, oh, I don't have my pan in there, huh? Okay, we're gonna put them in. And now we're gonna just add some water. I'm gonna use a regular 4-ounce cup. So that's 1 cup of water. 2 cups of water. Okay, that's plenty. You want to have enough water to cover the top. And this is a pressure cooker, so it doesn't lose water. So I don't need to really have no more than 2 cups in the pressure cooker, okay? All right, but in your case, cover the top of the Brussels sprouts in the pot that you're gonna cook on the stove, all right? All right, the next thing I'm gonna add is I have some chicken base. Remember, chicken base is the same thing as the chicken broth. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm gonna add 2 heaping tablespoons of the chicken base. This is just for flavoring, okay? All right, now we're gonna put the top on and set that. All right, I want to do 20 minutes, so let me go up. Okay, there we go. And once that pressure builds up, it'll lock in and the time will start. And I will check on it after it stops in 20 minutes. Thank you. Okay, so the 20 minutes have ended in the Power Pressure Cooker XL. The Brussels sprouts are out. Okay, I tasted one. I'm going to taste another one for your site to see. But if I was to do this again, you don't need 20 minutes. I would go with maybe 10 minutes. Okay, so just for your records, when you cook the Brussels sprouts in the Power Pressure Cooker XL, you're only going to cook it for 10 minutes because they're a little too soft. Although they're holding up, I would like it a little more firmer. Okay, all right. So I have a half a stick of butter here. Remember, we put the chicken broth in there, so we don't need any salt. Okay, I'm just gonna pour the butter over there to give it a little more flavor. This is unsalted butter. Okay. And let me let you get a look at that. See how the butter makes it nice and shiny, and it helps with the flavor. Okay, so let me take one. And we're gonna do a taste. Okay, let me try to get this here with me. Okay, here we go. Let's see if I can do this. They're good. It's good. I like it. I like vegetables anyway. Okay, so you try it. And if you're cooking it on the stove, you know, I would say, let me adjust the time back off of that. Once the water starts to boil, I think maybe check it in 15 minutes and see, because it may take an extra 5 minutes on the stove, but you be the judge. So after 10 minutes, taste it, check it, and if not, continue another 5 minutes, and I think you should be good on the stove, okay? All right, great. So let me give you the word of the day. 1 second. Okay, so the word of the day is do what you want to do finally. Yes, finally, it's your turn. Do what you want to do, okay? Maybe something that you've always wanted to do, do it. Maybe it's somewhere you wanted to travel to, go, okay? Do what you want to do, because you know what? You paid the price, you took care of everybody else, it's your turn. All right, do what you want to do. All right, and I want to thank everybody for subscribing. This is December, and this month I have over 200 new subscribers. That's great, and I owe that to you all, YouTube. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for being there for me, helping me, telling other people about the channel, sharing the videos. All of that success I owe to you. And oh, what love, what love, what love. And I love it, love it, love it. And I love you back, okay? So don't forget, tune in to my next video. I always will have something for you. I know I got quite a few comments and people were asking me to keep the videos going. You got it, okay? I will do that, okay? And please, you do for me as you have been. Tell others to subscribe, share the videos with other people, and let me know if you have a question or you want me to do something. I'm here for you, okay? All right, love you. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.